The vanishing universe. A vast and infinite universe has always held secrets far beyond humanity's imagination. For countless generations, we have lifted our eyes to the night sky, hoping to understand what lies beyond the shimmering veil of stars. We charted constellations, mapped distant galaxies, and traced the faint glow of cosmic structures drifting through the dark. Humanity's greatest minds built instruments, observatories, and theories, yet the universe always remained one step ahead of us. Because for every truth we uncover, a deeper and more bewildering mystery emerges. A mystery that challenges the very foundations of our reality. And now, thanks to the most advanced celestial instrument ever crafted, we are witnessing a revelation so profound, so unsettling, that it may force us to rethink everything we believed about the cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope, a $10 billion masterpiece of engineering and human ambition, has been operational for more than 2 years. Unlike the iconic Hubble, which transformed our view of the universe, James Webb peers into realms Hubble could never reach. It observes the cosmos in wavelengths invisible to human eyes. It penetrates cosmic dust with razor-sharp clarity. It looks deeper into the abyss than any device in human history. In July 2022, James Webb began scanning extraordinarily long wavelengths from galaxies billions of light-years away. It detected radiation known as redshifted ultraviolet light, ancient signals stretched thin across billions of years of cosmic expansion. These photons, older than the Earth itself, carried stories from a universe that no longer exists in its original form. For the first time, humanity was seeing the early universe with breathtaking clarity. But among the glowing nebulae, newborn stars, and distant galaxies, James Webb uncovered something far more disturbing. A cosmic anomaly that defies every known rule of astrophysics. The unexplained disappearance of 900 trillion stars. Vanished. Erased. Whole regions once overflowing with starlight now appear silent, cold, and void. No blazing supernova remnants. No collapsed black hole signatures. No dust clouds to hide them. Nothing. Where did these stars go? How can so many cosmic giants disappear without a trace? Scientists have proposed several theories. Perhaps the stars still exist, but their light has been swallowed by dense interstellar dust. Perhaps they collapsed into black holes without the cataclysmic explosions we expect. Or maybe, most unsettling of all, something far more profound is happening. A possibility that sends chills through even the most experienced cosmologists. The universe itself may be vanishing, piece by piece, before our eyes. To comprehend the magnitude of this idea, we must revisit a fundamental truth about our cosmos. Since the 1920s, astronomers have known that galaxies are moving away from us. But this recession is not motion through space, it is space itself stretching. The farther away a galaxy is, the faster it appears to retreat. Its light stretches, shifting into redder wavelengths, a phenomenon known as redshift. James Webb allows us to measure this expansion with unimaginable precision. And what it has revealed is both mesmerizing and terrifying. The universe is dominated by dark energy, a mysterious force accelerating the expansion of space. Our cosmic makeup looks like this: 68% dark energy, 27% dark matter, 5% ordinary matter. The stars, planets, and elements we know. This composition has immense consequences. Galaxies not gravitationally bound to us are accelerating away at increasing speeds. Eventually, they cross a cosmic boundary, moving so fast that their light can never reach us again. They slip beyond the observable universe. Lost forever. Only about 6% of all galaxies remain within our observational reach. An astonishing 94% have already faded into cosmic darkness. And every second 20,000 to 60,000 stars cross that boundary. Their light that has traveled for millions of years, will never touch Earth again. The universe, a cosmic wanderer, does not return the way a traveler comes back to a familiar doorway. It returns instead to recognition, to the deep, quiet awareness of a species that has lifted its gaze to the stars for thousands of years, wondering if anything out there would ever look back. And now, something finally has. The moment the wanderer emerges from the depths of interstellar darkness, the universe seems to pause. Not in silence, but in anticipation, like the breath held before a revelation. Its arrival feels less like movement and more like the slow unveiling of a truth that has been patiently waiting for humanity to grow curious enough, brave enough, and imaginative enough to perceive it. The object glows with a soft radiance that is neither natural nor artificial by any known standard. Its surface bends light in ways that defy current physics, creating ripples of color that shift like liquid auroras. Patterns flicker across its hull, fractals, spirals, and geometric arcs that almost resemble language, as if the universe itself is writing in symbols older than time. Around the world, observatories erupt into motion. Researchers who moments ago were analyzing routine data now stare in awe as their instruments pick up signals that do not match any catalogued object. Radio telescopes hum with strange fluctuations. Infrared sensors flicker with readings that border on the impossible. Computers process terabytes of information as scientists run simulations that collapse almost as quickly as they form. In the vast halls of space agencies, the atmosphere transforms from ordinary focus to profound wonder. Teams gather around large screens, mesmerized by the live feed. The wanderer grows clearer with every passing second, its texture resembling something both organic and engineered, something shaped not by randomness but by purpose. The world watches. People stand on rooftops, in fields, by shorelines, under the open sky. Children press their faces to windows. Elders who have lived through decades of discovery wipe tears from their eyes, realizing that this moment, this gentle, luminous arrival, may be the most extraordinary event humanity has ever witnessed. The wanderer moves with an elegance that suggests intent rather than drifting. Its path curves subtly, as though it is positioning itself so that every eye on Earth, every instrument, every observer can see it clearly. It does not panic or rush, it simply exists in a state of serene, cosmic grace. As data pours in, scientists debate possibilities. Is it a natural relic shaped by forces we've never studied? A shell from an ancient civilization long extinct? A probe? A messenger? Or something far stranger, a phenomenon that blurs the line between object and consciousness? And yet, despite the debates, the world feels united under a single, unspoken understanding. This moment changes everything. The wanderer's glow pulses faintly, almost like a heartbeat, slow, powerful, rhythmic. Some interpret it as a signal. Others as a biological rhythm from a form of life unlike any ever imagined. Many simply watch, entranced by the quiet beauty of its presence. Its light washes across the sky, illuminating clouds, seas, and entire cityscapes with a glow that feels almost sacred. Astronomers, poets, physicists, dreamers, they all sense the same thing. This is not a random event. This is not a coincidence. This is a meeting, brief yet profound, between humanity and the vastness that has always surrounded it. And as the wanderer drifts closer, unthreatening and calm, it carries with it a silent promise that the universe is not cold or empty. That it holds stories we have not yet learned to translate. That something extraordinary lies beyond every horizon we have ever known. The wanderer arrives not to give answers, but to open a door to possibility, to wonder, to a future where the unknown is no longer something to fear, but something to pursue with courage, curiosity, and